cascading effect of complex changes. And you can see in this little chart that I made here, as an example here, if you change one item, that there are changes that it has the potential to cascade into affecting other things, not only within your own quality management system and organization, but also extend outside that into third parties like suppliers, or just like Kyle talked about, changes that might impact regulatory submissions, and you need then to notify, say, the FDA or your notified body for that. And some of those changes that we see are listed here to the left. So in many cases, when you do a change to your quality management system, which is something that we see a lot here at QuickVault and even Rook, helping customers go from this current state of a quality management system into a better state, in our case, into an EQMS, more specifically QuickVault. That is a big change. Thankfully, those are changes that you preferably should do once and not recurring in nature. But those changing quality management system from a current state to a better new state has this cascading effect. Of course, it's going to impact a lot of your procedures and other documents within your QMS.